Hi everyone, I'm Elijah D. Welcome to Music Greatness. This is 800, and for today's lesson, we're going to break down Sunflower by Rex Orange County. And it sounds like this. Alright, this is part 1, and here we're going to break down the pattern for the intro. We're playing in the key of F sharp major for this one. And we're starting the song playing a 2-5-1 movement in the key of F sharp. So we're gonna go from G sharp to C sharp and end up on F sharp. Okay, so first chord for this intro, we have G sharp minor 9. Octave G sharp for the left, and on my right I'm playing B, D sharp, F sharp and A sharp. I'm going to play this G sharp minor 9 twice, like so. And then I'm going to go to the 5 chord. C sharp 7 add 13, octave C sharp for the left, B, C sharp, F and A sharp for the right. And then right before playing the F sharp major chord, I'll play this on my right hand. So I played C sharp and A sharp, both at the same time. I'm using my thumb on C sharp and my pinky on A sharp. Then I went up and played B and C sharp. I'm using my 5th finger both on B and C sharp. And right after this movement, I play my F sharp major 7, octave F sharp, C sharp, F and A sharp. So again, the 2-5-1. Alright, from here I'll replay my movement on my right hand, so C sharp and A sharp together. Then B and C sharp on my 5th finger. And after that, I'll play F sharp 7. I simply switched my F here, the major 7th of A sharp, to an E, the dominant 7th of F sharp. Octave F sharp, C sharp, E, and A sharp. Coming after that, I have another movement on my right hand that will go to B major 7. So again, I played C sharp and A sharp together, thumb and 5th finger, and instead of going up, I went down, played G sharp with my 4th finger and F sharp with my 3rd. Then I played my B major 7 chord, B and F sharp, A sharp, D sharp and F sharp. After my B major 7, I'll go up and play C sharp 7, playing C sharp and G sharp on my left hand, B and F on my right. And quickly after that, I'll play the 5th of C sharp on my right hand, that's G sharp, with my 5th finger. Then I'll play F, and then I will land on my next chord, A sharp 7. A sharp and F for the left, G sharp, D and F. Following that, I have a quick D and F played back to back. So you will play D and then F and then go back to your B major 7 chord. Let's quickly replay the movement we had from the first B major 7. It sounds like this. 4, 5, 6. So we're back on B major 7, and from here we're going to go up a half step and play C diminished. I have C, natural C, and F sharp on my left hand, natural C again, D sharp, F sharp for the right. And then I'll go back on B major 7. Alright? And following that, I will replay my movement on my 2-5-1 on F sharp major. So, twice G sharp minor 9, followed by one C sharp 7 at 13, with my movement right before F sharp major 7. Okay, so now we're back on F sharp major 7, and we're going to repeat from the first movement. We have this on our right hand, then we have F sharp 7, going to B major 7. We're going to rest on that B major 7 for one measure. But on the 4th beat, we're going to replay it and then break. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 4, 5, 6. And then on the following measure, I'll play my A sharp 7, A sharp and F, G sharp, D and F. And then I'll go back to B major 7 again. Quickly followed by C diminished. And end this intro by playing B major 7. Let's replay that from that B major 7. 4, 5, 6. And that's how we're going to end this intro. So let's go through the chords from the top. We have this 2-5-1 movement starting on G sharp minor 9. We're going to play it twice. Then we have C sharp 7 at 13, followed by this movement, landing on F sharp major 7. We play the movement again. Then we have F sharp 7. Then this on the right hand, going to B major 7 for one measure. Then we have C sharp 7, A sharp 7, then a quick D and F, then go back to B major 7. C diminished, back to B major 7, and then from here we have the 2-5-1 again. So twice G sharp minor 9, C sharp 7 at 13, and F sharp major 7, F sharp 7, going to B major 7 for one measure with the break on the 4th beat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have A sharp 7, and also here you can replay your chord on your right hand on the 4th beat of the measure. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then B major 7, C diminished, B major 7, and then we end the intro. Let me play that again for you, slow tempo. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's pretty much it for the intro. Now let me recap the whole thing from the top at full speed. And that's it for this first part. For the rest of the song, you can head over to musicgreatness.com. I'll teach you the verse, chorus, and bridge. As always guys, thank you for watching. If you love the content, leave a like, leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you next week for another Hot 100.